Hello everyone, here is Doris, who is from Frywheel Pressure Company. Today I will introduce premier clutch kite for OM651. First, let us look at the package. Build strong and secure global shipping. Our colleague Carter will introduce product details.
Hello everyone, this is Carter. I'm happy to share more information about our premium clutch kite of OM651 engine. Here, this is our release bearing. This is aluminum quality. We also provide a plastic to meet different markets needs. Next will be our disc. Look at here, featured LUK Friction Lining, ensuring genuine OE-level quality. Look at the detail. And next will be the flywheel, friction engineered for maximum comfort. Next also will be our pressure plate. Look at the front and the back, the diaphragm springs. Then we're going to our alignment tools. Alignment tools, it helps the flywheel, disc, pressure plate perfectly centered. Without it, we risk alignment misalignment, leading to installation failure, even transmission damage. We provide OEM standard quality from top factory. Contact us to place the order. Thank you.